Meet Sahand, advanced frigate of Iranian Navy. It is equipped with Qader surface-to-surface and Sahand 2 surface-to-air missiles as well as anti-aircraft batteries, electronic warfare and sophisticated radar and radar evading capabilities. It has been equipped with a locally manufactured point defense system named Kamand. The system can destroy any target approaching from a distance and altitude of 2 to 4 kilometers by firing between 4,000 and 7,000 rounds per minute. This ship is capable of traveling some 5 months without refueling. It is 1,300-ton vessel, has a helicopter landing pad, is 96 meters long and can cruise at 25 knots. It is equipped with 4 powerful engines, thus offering better maneuvering performance.